Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use API data in Power BI, step by step, so you can bring live, dynamic data straight into your reports. Step 1. Find the API and get access. First, figure out which API has the data you want. Check the API documentation to understand how it works. If it needs a key or token, make sure you get it. It's usually free from the provider. Step 2. Connect the API in Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop, click Get Data, then click Web. Paste the API URL in the box. If it asks for authentication, enter your key or login info. Step 3. Transform the data. Power BI will show your data, usually in JSON or XML format. Open the Power Query Editor to clean it up. Expand any nested lists or records to make columns. Handle pagination if the API gives data in pages. Rename columns, change data types, filter rows, make it ready for reporting. Step 4. Load and model the data. Click Close and Apply to load the data. If you have other tables, create relationships to connect them. Step 5. Build reports and dashboards. Now your data is ready. Create charts, visuals, and dashboards to uncover insights. Tips for advanced users. For complex APIs, try creating a custom connector. Add error handling in Power Query to manage failed calls. Keep your credentials safe and set up data refresh schedules if using Power BI service. And that's it. You've now connected an API to Power BI and can work with live data anytime. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy Power BI tips.